Hello, welcome. This is another project. I'm trying to paint a box of toolbox. It's like a carry-on toolbox, and it came from our neighbor. It was given to us, and I want to give it a new look. I'm gonna paint it. So it's gonna make it nicer and neater. I'm gonna paint it with gray, color gray. So you can watch me if you want. Where will I set it up? I don't know. So you can see me. Are you able to see me? No, I don't think so. So I'll just show you when it's done. I don't know where to put my phone. See you later when it's done. Bye for now.